Hello, welcome to Mr. James Maths. I'm going to be going through question 3 on the Unit 1 Edexcel 2011 March paper. Now, this is a ratio question. So, shop sells freezers and cookers. The ratio of the number of freezers sold to the number of cookers sold is 5 to 2. The shop sells a total of 140 freezers and cookers in 1 week. Now, you might notice here the asterisk by the question, which means the examiner will be particularly looking at your mathematical communication. So work out the number of freezers and the number of cookers sold. Well, there's 140 altogether, and they're sold in the ratio of 5 to 2. I always think of these as parts, so 5 parts to 2 parts, which means there are 5 plus 2, 7 parts altogether. Now, if we want to calculate the value of one of those parts, I can do 140, which is the total amount, divided by the total amount of parts, so 140 divided by 7, which is of course 20. Now, that's the value of one part, but I actually need to work out the value of 5 parts and 2 parts. So 20 multiplied by 5 would give me the value of 5 parts, which is 100. Now, it's important that you write down what this 100 actually represents, and because it's the number of freezers to the number of cookers, that's 5 to 2, then this 100 will be the number of freezers that were sold in that particular week. So one part is equal to 20, that's what we worked out here. So the cookers are 2 parts, so it would be 20 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 40. So they must have sold 40 cookers. A nice little check on these ratio problems is adding up the two numbers in your final answer, your 140, and that should equal the total that you started off with. And you can see 100 plus 40 is of course 140, so a nice little check, so that answer must be correct. Boom!